If you're tired of basic tech support leaving you in the lurch, it's time to upgrade to our expert solutions. Introducing our new technical support service, tailored for the platforms you love: Monday.com, ClickUp, HubSpot, Jira, Asana, and Keep. What sets us apart? Our experts aren't just certified in these tools. They've got real operational experience. They understand how your business runs and can offer practical, impactful solutions. Imagine resolving issues faster, optimizing your workflows, and boosting productivity with the help of our seasoned pros. Whether it's integrating HubSpot, navigating Jira, or customizing ClickUp, we've got you covered. We provide support through multiple channels: chat, email, phone, and more. No matter your subscription level, you get access to top-notch assistance that's both proactive and personalized. Ready to unlock new levels of success with your PM and CRM software? Contact us today for a consultation or demo. Let's make your operations smoother, smarter, and more efficient. Your business deserves the best, and we're here to deliver it. See the difference operational expertise makes. Reach out now.